You are going to love the 2020 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Thank you.